Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Deel to Google Sheets for contractor payment tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Deel to Google Sheets for contractor payment tracking, start by logging into your Deel account. Navigate to the dashboard where you manage your contractors. Locate the section for payments or financial data. Find the option to export data, typically labeled as export or download. Select the format compatible with Google Sheets, such as CSV or Excel. Once you have downloaded the file, open Google Sheets in your web browser. Start a new spreadsheet by clicking on the plus button or blank option. In the new spreadsheet, go to the menu at the top and select File. From the drop-down menu, click on Import. Choose the Upload tab and drag your downloaded file into the upload area. You can also click on Select a file from your device to browse for it. After uploading, decide how you want to import the file, typically choosing Replace Spreadsheet. Click on Import Data to finalize the process and add your Deel data into Google Sheets. Now, examine the imported data to ensure everything is correctly displayed. You may want to format the spreadsheet for clarity and usability. Add columns for tracking payments, dates, and any additional notes relevant to your contractors. Utilizing formulas, you can create summaries or track totals for better oversight. Consider setting up filters to easily manage and analyze your contractor payments. With your Deel data now in Google Sheets, you can efficiently monitor and manage your contractor payments. Regularly update this spreadsheet by repeating the export process from Deel as needed. Enjoy streamlined payment tracking and enhanced organization for your contractor transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.